What up, Snaps? What? Here with Chef Chris. He's just about to start a YouTube channel, and today the Leafboard showed up. Bought it on Kickstarter about a year ago. It finally showed up. We're gonna crack it open and take it for a rip. Oh baby. Oh. So when I ordered this off Kickstarter, I was able to design it myself. So I picked the toucan top and the walnut bottom. All right, here we go to the park. Gonna test out the board. So as you can see, I've got over 1,000 miles on my boosted board, so I gotta be an electric skateboard expert. So after a quick test drive, the Leafboard is super awesome. That was rad, connected really easily. Taking it out of econ mode meant we could get up the hill. The tail is really nice compared to the boosted board. It's a lot shorter and smaller, so you can actually maneuver around tight corners. Give it 2 thumbs up.